There we go, like that maybe. So we got our chilies planted. We're excited to be growing these. Anyone from Pueblo, Colorado, these chilies have a very sentimental place in all of our hearts. It's one of the cool things from Pueblo. There's a lot of bad things from Pueblo. The chili and the food from Pueblo is one of the great things. There's a lot of disagreement in Pueblo, but I think we can all agree, if you're from Pueblo, Pueblo green chili is just far superior to Hatch and that trash they grow down there in Hatch, New Mexico. What is up, everyone? Welcome to today's video. There's a Dixie girl. All right, I want to start this off right now. I'm planting Pueblo chilies back here, and this third row, I am going to add a bunch of extra fertilizer to it. And I'm using this video to help document the date, the time, and what I actually put in. Because half the reason I'm doing this YouTube stuff is so it's like a farm diary. I can look back and see what I did on certain days and just the growth and everything of the farm. So we got our bucket of BioLive. It's made by Down to Earth. It's just kind of a general purpose fertilizer. It's got some mycorrhiza in it. It isn't organic, but it has organic ingredients in it. This is not a salt-based fertilizer at all. It's made up of like kelp meal, humic acid, alfalfa meal, crab shell meal. The list goes on and on. And then I just have some regular old crab shell meal here. And we are going to dust down this third bed right here. These first two beds, it's just compost and some potting soil tilled in there, mixed in with the native ground. And remember, this was a chicken pen last year, so there's a lot of fertilizer in the ground from the chicken manure. All right, I'm sure, I'm no dummy, the fertilizer will make some kind of difference. But I'm just curious how much of a difference it'll make, because I do know that those chili plants grow just fine all summer long in that compost, topsoil, potting soil blend mix. But let's supercharge them a little bit, see what happens. So I'm just pulling them out of the tray there. Here's my handy dandy concrete spike here for my spacing. Just make a quick little hole like that. I used this little stick, came up from behind, kind of poked the plant out. Pull that chili plant out. It's two chili plants actually. And we'll just drop it in the hole like that. And then we'll move the spike. That's a Operation Ivy reference. And we'll drop it in the hole. So on and so forth, all the way down. All right, so we've got, I don't know, I think it's about 36 Pueblo chili plants in these 3 rows. I'll save a few in case we get a cold snap or something. I'll just put these guys back inside. Run sprinkler on these guys now, get them watered in real good. Got our chilies planted. I'm so bad at this. There we go, like that maybe. So we got our chilies planted. I saved a few so that if we have a cold snap or some die, I've got replacements for them. They're right there.
The road?
Yeah, someone killed a snake in front of our house. Just to let you guys know, that is a completely non-venomous snake. It's plain-bellied water snake, something like that. Thanks for being a dick. That pretty much wraps it up for the day. I appreciate everyone watching our green chili update.